Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? Binary Bot Real account here, and today is day 2 of our robot running, and I'm just gonna go in and take a check. Right now it's 9 a.m. my time, my part of the world, so it's been an entire 24 hours since we've had that running on our account. So what we're gonna do now is just go to MetaTrader 5. Let's see the progress that has started. So right here, guys, you can see that it is actively still working on our account VIX75, and let's go to the history to see the history. So right now we're seeing a total amount of $225, guys, for that 24-hour period, I believe. Yeah, all right, let's tap on today. So far it's made $102, and that's crazy because that's crazy. All right, so let me see something. So today alone it made $102. All right, and let's bear in mind, guys, that they just started. All right, my time. All right, so we've been running this from yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and check. Oh yeah, so it would have been from the 18th to the 19th, right? Boom, that's 225. All right, so it's 225 for the 24 hours that it's been actively running, guys. And as you can see, it has been consistent. Now, I am running this on 2 pairs, like I said. It's both on volatility 75 and boom 500. So that would be the reason for such a high gain as well. If it was only on VIX 75, I believe it would be a little bit lower, in accumulation of the funds there. But boom has been running, and if you know boom and crash, if you're trading boom and crash, you know that boom and crash tend to have high drawdowns, because they greatly trend in one expected direction. All right, so sometimes you have spikes, and spikes occur, and those spikes causes really huge drawdown. So I guess that's why this balance is accumulated so much. But yeah, guys, so far so good using our synthetic indices robot. If you do want to copy, go ahead and reach out to me. Like I said, you want to demo of this on your account, go ahead and reach out to me. I'll be more than happy just to have you guys set up and get you a copy of this. All right, you reach out to me and we discuss how you can actually get a copy of this. All right, whether by email or by chat, but so far so good growing this account, guys. 24 hours, 225. Sometime later today, I'm trying to do at least 3 videos a day. Sometime later today, I'll upload part 3, part 3 video of day 2 or something like that. But stay tuned, guys.